Welcome back to the Investing for Beginners community. I'm your host, Johnny, and today we have another exciting video. Gladstone Capital is up 13% for the year, and they have announced a 9% dividend yield. That's correct, guys. So their current dividend yield is 9%, which means you'll get 99 cents, might as well say $1, for every single share that you invest. That's pretty fantastic. Today's video, we are going to go over Gladstone, their fundamentals on Robinhood, and also their dividend history over time. I had to show you that because that is freaking fantastic, and it's a very cheap company to get into. Now, I do only ask that you smash the like button, help us get to 100 likes so we can tell other people about this stock. Now, a lot of people talk about the mainstream companies, but no one talks about Gladstone Capital. And for the small price of smashing the like button and subscribing to this channel, I will tell you all about it. So, Gladstone Capital, it's at $10.99. They're up 13% in 1 year. They have 40% appreciation in 5 years, and their max life, they are down about 30%, but that just means they have the potential to go back up to $25, and they're well on their way to going up. So let's pull up their NASDAQ history here. Let's go to the NASDAQ history. So anyways, Gladstone Capital, for all of you who don't know what it is a traded business development company which invests in lower middle market companies located in the United States. Now, the fund focuses on companies with revenues ranging from $20 to $150 million and an EBITDA ranging from $3 to $25 million. Basically, they manage other portfolios, other companies, okay? Now, David J. Gladstone's the CEO, headquartered in Virginia, and they were founded in 2001. Now, they do have a market cap of $475 million. They have a PE ratio of 9.56, which is fantastic, and a 52-week low of 887 and a 52-week high of 1128. So it is a little bit on the higher end of the 52-week high and low chart. This is saying a dividend of 8.78, but as you saw a second ago, it's not quite updated. That said January 4th. We're now on the 7th, so tomorrow this will probably be more updated. As you can see here, their earnings is right around 20. And I did receive a dividends recently for it. Now I am buying more of these dividends. We're going to check the dividend history here. Now recently they have been paying about 8 cents a share, which is great. This is a company that I refer all my beginner investors to because you can see the continuous payouts every single month, and it makes you feel like you can actually see your investment growing over time. There's also the snowball effect and compound interest effect when it comes to dividend reinvesting. I love dividend reinvesting. That's why I also refer people to Gladstone, because they have the dividend reinvestment program or the DRIP program available. Now, I also recommend, if this is your first time reaching this community or seeing my video, we do have a community of over 70,000 members, a private group on Facebook, and a weekly newsletter that you can check out with the links below. Also, check out the webinar for that private group. I believe it's actually a public webinar you can join. It is the Investing in Stocks 101 for beginners. Everything you need to do. That webinar was released on January 7th. So definitely check that out. Everything you need to know if you're investing for the first time, we cover in a quick 45-minute webinar. Everything you need to know, guys, and you could start investing with as little as $5 today. So I'll leave a link in the description below to check out that webinar, and from here, I say Gladstone is definitely a buy with a 13% appreciation year over year. You could even wait until it comes back down and invest probably around the $9 mark and get a good value. You could also average cost down. I'm doing a video right now on $5 a day dollar cost averaging down on CHD, which is an ETF, and as well as Berkshire Hathaway B, which is just a great conglomerate that Warren Buffett has set up. And I believe I'm going to do it on this after I do this initial buy here again, to add some more in, because $1 a share is fantastic. $1 a share is fantastic, guys. 99 cents a share from their original only 8 cents. So pretty cool. Definitely going to be riding this for a little while and going from there. Now, really, there's nothing going on. Sometimes you'll see people talking about it. So let's go to the Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha is I have a premium membership with Seeking Alpha, so we can dig a little bit deeper into some of the details that you may not be able to see because you may not be signed up with Seeking Alpha yet. If you want to become a member of Seeking Alpha, you definitely can. Right now they have a discount going on for that. But right now they're saying it's a hold by the Seeking Alpha analyst, the Wall Street, and the quant. They're all saying it is a hold. Now, there are some cool factors about Gladstone Capital. The valuation is an A, growth is a C, profitability is an A, momentum is a C+, and revision is a C. Now, they are an asset management and custody banks, and they are in the financial sector. Now, I've been invested with this company for many years. I mean, I like this company. Like I said, it has a good growth. It has B for growth, for dividend grade, a C for safety, an A for yield, and a B for consistency, because they are doing it every single month. Now, there are a lot of analysts on here. Let's see, one of the bulls is saying below average external leverage in combination with portfolio structure that is focused towards stable and predictable business, rendering the 9.5 attractive relative to the rest of BDC sector. That's true, and I like it, and there's nothing wrong with it. Unless you're doing options trading and have 100 shares, you're not really too worried about this. Again, that's another video for another time. But what are the bears saying? Now, the bears are saying I am reducing my exposure to business development companies and cutting off those that are presently selling at the NAV premium like Gladstone Capital. Yeah, but at the same time, people have to pay their rents. Gladstone Capital, lower middle market, growth capital, they add acquisitions, change of control, build and buy strategies, debt refinancing, debt investments and senior term loans, revolving loans, secured first and second lien term loans, senior subordinated loans, unitranche loans, junior subordinated loans, and mezzanine loans. Just sounds like a whole lot of loans, a whole lot of interest, and a whole lot of extra money. Look at their revenues, 108 million. It's just slowly going up over time as the years go on. Earnings per share, actual, they're slightly missed it here, but not bad. And as you can see here, valuations, this is where they're getting their valuations from. For all of you that are still watching this video, thank you. Smash that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm. And subscribe if you haven't. I got a ton more videos like this. My goal is to do 300 videos and blog posts this year alone. So join that cause and definitely get some great videos. I like to talk about videos that are not necessarily mainstream, some videos you may never have heard of. Another video you have not heard of is ARCC. Let's go ahead and go over to the blog here and just show you that real quick. Now, ARCC Capital has a 10%. Oh yeah, don't forget you can sign up with the newsletter. Just throw your email in there, sign up for the newsletter. There's 51 left in the year. I'm doing one a week. It's a weekly newsletter. It comes out on Thursdays. The financial freedom can be easy. 10-step guide I created is just for you. Our demographic is 24 to 34-year-olds. So some of you may be trying to escape, the bank of mom and dad. You're just starting out, maybe out of college, maybe you didn't go to college because of the pandemic. You don't know what to do next. You got your first job. Well, this is a place to do it. This guide is what to pick up. Some of you may be adults and you might just want to learn how to never work again. So that is a guide that's going to help you a lot. It's a really quick, easy guide. It's 22 pages and it's very simple to read and understand. Easy steps to follow. Do step 1 first, then step 2, then step 3. Don't do 4 until you do 3. Don't do 3 until you do 2, etc. Once you get to number 10, you will be financially free and you can do whatever you want. And it's really not that hard, guys. It is free, so definitely check it out with the newsletter. If you go over to investingforbeginners.com, check that out. So 3 high yield dividend stocks that could be worth considering in 2024. That's another great blog article or video to watch, as well as Ares Capital. That's the one we're here for. Now, Ares Capital is a 10% dividend yield with a 10% appreciation year over year. So they do have that nice 20% return on your investment that Gladstone has as well. You take 13% appreciation from the share price, and you take the 9% here, and you're at a solid 22% return on your investment. So there's some other great strategies here, how to achieve 20 to 40% yearly returns using strategies like this. If you have, 5 solid companies that are all generating 20% returns every year, you're going to be getting 100% returns. You're going to be able to double your money every year. So there's some great strategies in there. If you want to learn more, definitely do so. Check out the blog, support the community, and you can also join us on Facebook, where the 70,000 members get together and talk about like-minded stuff just like this. Hey, not everyone wants to talk about investing in money 24/7, but good thing I created a community just for you that does just that. We are 24/7. There's people from all around the world, so connect with some great people here. It's a private group with over 71,000 members, and there's polls, and there's great news articles, and there's people just getting involved and talking, and most groups have a ton of spam, but between me, my other admins, and moderators, we have been able to really crack down on the spammers, scammers to ensure your safety while you browse through all these great articles and get to learn and enjoy conversations from other like-minded individuals just like yourself. So thanks for watching. Go check out that webinar on Facebook. Watch some more of my videos. Educate yourself. But none the least, start your journey today with $5 by signing up with the Robinhood app link. You'll get a free share. I'll get a free share. I got over $179 by someone using my link to Facebook. And now you can do the same thing as well. Try your luck. It's free to do. Why not? Get started. Stop waiting. Don't wait till tomorrow to invest. Invest today. Start it. And very least, start with Gladstone. They're paying $1 for every $10 you put in, $11 you put in, you get $1 back every single year. Isn't that just fantastic? I think it is. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.